Hello, my internet friends. It's me, Ira. So, I'm going to be showing you what I eat in a day. This is what I eat in a day, so please don't judge me or anything. I'm a no nutritionist at all. And I avoid dairy. Of course, from time to time, I eat those because it's good. I'm going to be at first class for today's stage management, major subject in performing arts. Dude, it's pressuring me. Okay, bye. Drink your water and your coffee.
I'm on my way to something new, and so are they, and so are you. Back to a time we all went through.
So I'm done with my classes and t-shirt na lang. I'm finishing my coffee and drinking
Waking
water.
up stories
And I'm going to be working out. For today, it's glutes.
It'll follow tomorrow.
I ate at 11 a.m. I'm not yet hungry.
Turn around, we need a boot. Throw your sorrows, be prepared to put on mute.
Kung nasa yung natulog, makikita niya. No.
Kaya po tayo ng dyan. Makakamatay ng pagkain.
O, no.
Asan?
I'm gonna snack on this Doritos. Life is short, man.